Hey friends, so we are going to make a fall wreath. So I have this wire wreath that I got from DollarTree. I'm gonna show you some of the supplies here. So then we have the most important part is this nautical rope. So I got this from the DollarTree Floral section. Then I found these and they are a sweater pumpkin clip. Like, cute, right? But look, isn't that neat? And then it has a clip on the back. Makes it so easy. You don't even have to hot glue it or anything. So there's that. This is going to be kind of the centerpiece of the wreath. And so I got this. It's Ashland. I got it from Michael's. So, I mean, it's $4.99, but I got it for 70% off. So it's pretty cheap. And I have these flowers that I'm gonna put on the sides. Here's some more pumpkins that I found. So just a little, little cute pumpkins. I think they're out of foam. Yeah, they feel like they're foam. DollarTree as well. And then I got these berries. Perfect color to kind of match with the theme there. And last but not least, I'm so excited for these paper flowers. I also got these at Michael's, and I'm just gonna kind of freestyle it with those. So you can come with me on the whole process and we'll just see how it turns out, right? Okay, now let's get started. All right, so the first part is we are going to wrap this nautical rope all around this. So they come with this little end here. I think it's tape. I'm just gonna cut it off. And we're gonna pull this apart. So kind of make it a little longer. So I finally finished undoing the nautical rope. Now let me just tell you, okay? This reminds me of back in the day when you get your hair, braided, and you're like, you know what? I want the braids that are down past my butt. And matter of fact, I want them in micros. And so, you love it. It's flowing all over the place. And then comes the dreaded takedown. I remember used to having like these takedown parties where you would, you and your friends, everyone would bring a comb and you would, spend like a couple days, sometimes like a weekend, taking your hair down, Never again. I think I did that a couple of times and I was like, nope. But anywho, actually I'm gonna start from the bottom here. I'm gonna tie this just like right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start wrapping this around. So I'm gonna kind of go over this a little bit to kind of hide the knot. Let's see. Yeah, that should be fine. Just gonna over just a little bit. There we go. But yeah, I've been wanting to try this for so long. Oh, it's gonna look so pretty. I mean, look, you see, isn't that? And so yeah, I know it's kind of tedious, but for me, this is kind of relaxing. you know, you find you a craft to kind of think about something else, you know, not have to worry about all the, you know, just things that are going on that bug you or stress you out. And you just got something that you can do. And for me, it's crafts, right? And so I definitely recommend getting into crafts and just finding what, you know, what do you really enjoy? What is like your niche, right? And then the best place too is DollarTree. Like I got this rope from DollarTree. You know, you just think creative, think out the box. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's all about what you like, what looks good in your house, all right? Or if you want to make a gift for a friend. And so yeah. All right, so I'm gonna finish this one up and then show you kind of a little bit of what it looks like. So look at that. You see, isn't that cute? Cute, and just imagine be around this whole thing. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and finish this up. All right, so I've got this much just using one rope. So luckily I have more, and I think I might need 3 total. So luckily I have some more. So I'm gonna do another takedown party of this braid and we'll be back. Okay, so now we've got our wreath. So pretty. That was fun to do. So now I'm gonna focus on just the arrangement and kind of doing that. So first I'm gonna put this one right here. Yeah, put it like right here. Let's take all these tags off. Okay, so we've got this flower, and now we are going to start putting this arrangement on. I'm just gonna use some glue and basically just glue it right there. So I got this glue gun, by the way, from Michael's. And so what I like about it actually uses the bigger glue sticks, which you can get from the dollar store. So my preference, you can always go with the small ones, you know, either one doesn't work, does the same thing, right? Put a nice little glob there. And I'm going to position this. Perfect. All right, so we're going to do a few things here. So I'm going to glue this on and also glue this on like that. And I want to put these kind of underneath, so I might actually just do these first. So use some wire cutters and basically just cut these stems off. I like these, they're like super heavy duty. I got it from Amazon. I'll put a link in my bio for them, but they chomp through just about everything real quick and easy. So let's take this off. All right, so we have the leaves here. You can always keep these for different projects, but honestly, I don't need them here. So I'm gonna take these off. Put those to the side. All right, so let's position these. So I might end up cutting these a little bit more, but I just want to position them how I want them. Let's see. So kind of like this. And then we'll put, oh yeah, that's cute. That's cute, huh? All right. So we can, there we go. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna start gluing these in. Okay, I think that one's good now. Got some of these glue strings. All right. And let's glue this one in. So, yeah. Definitely need to get like a popsicle stick or something to, just to make sure that it stays when you're gluing. All right. And so let's do the other side. So we're gonna go something like this. Okay, so me personally, I like designs that are symmetrical. But again, I mean, you can do whichever way that you want and what you like and what your decor is. So again, no right or wrong way to do this. Okay, so now we're gonna use these flowers, and they're kind of folded already, not on purpose, but I'm just gonna glue one side of it and just put it right in here so you can kind of hide those stems. So it'll look kind of like that. Cute, right? All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so now for the second one. All right, so it's pretty stuck on there. It's not going anywhere. Very cute. So now, let's see. We've got these pumpkins. So I haven't figured out where I'm gonna put these, but I'm gonna put them somewhere. And I also have a little, oh, do you think? I just thought about this, like, boom, because I can see a little bit of stem right there. But then how would that look over here, though? Because it has a clip, so I really don't have to, like, glue it. Or I could just kind of clip it in here like that. Let's see, stand it up. Nah, I don't like that one. Okay, so I got one pumpkin down. I'm gonna put the other one about right here. Just clipping it in, so boom, it's done. And so these little pumpkins, I don't know. They're so cute. Oh, right there, right here. Boom. Okay, let's see. I think I can take this out. Yep, sure can. All right. So let's take this out. All right, so let me look at this. Oh, this looks cute. This looks cute. Like, do you see it? Hopefully you can see it a little bit. I'll do a close-up a little bit later once I'm done. So now we've got these cute little things here. These cute little flowers. This is the part that I'm gonna freestyle a bit. Not sure how I'm going to design this. I don't think I'm gonna use all of them though, but I think just to mix it up, like as far as the colors, maybe use some of these darker brown ones. Let's see, I think this one and this one are supposed to be somewhat the same. Okay, so let's see, put that right there, put that one right there. Okay, I think that's it. I think I'll just save the rest. I don't really want to put another one. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 6. Okay. It's done. It's done. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love this. Like, it is. Oh yeah, this was fun. This was fun. Okay, so let me do a quick close-up. Okay, so I'm doing a quick close-up. You see it? Oh, it's so cute. Beautiful. Then that's the whole wreath down at the bottom. And I'm going to show you what it looks like just hanging on a door. Well, I hope you all like the video. If you can do me a huge favor, I would love it if you would subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. See you soon.